Okay, so there we go. No leak in there. No water there either. See, that's dry. Here's the new piece. Now there. I think they cut that pipe too big, too far up, and this piece won't stay on it. So, see how that is? That's how it was. We just gotta get the place, order them, and then we go from there. I think this is how you set it. Oh, you take this piece off. See that? You move this up, right? And then you put it all the way to the hot. Then you put it back. That piece goes over it. So let's see. There's a marker. Hold up here if I can see it. See this marker right here? That's where hot. It's at its hottest. And then what you could do is you pull this back and you move this over. See how it has those teeth? You can move it here and the water won't get so hot. It'll stop your thing from moving this way. But we want it all the way hot. That's where it was originally. So you'll have a tab here. This tab. See this tab? Here. On this. And that. So then you get the most of the water. This piece is going to come over this way. Okay, what you got? Those little screws? Yes. That's it. Now those items stay here, so we're good.
What about these? Get anything else you need?